What up, peeps?
Yeah.
What up, peeps?
So we have got some baby
Siena,
birdies.
this video is 6 minutes long.
Whoa. So we've got some baby birdies. Say hello.
Hello. Siena, on here, I keep on thinking it's really close.
So that's the two birds, and we're going to be cleaning them out, and we're going to bring you guys along. So first of all, we're just going to...
Don't let them fall off here.
So we're just going to put them on the floor.
Yes, you will.
While Corey watches them, and you can video them if you want. So just watch them, Corey. Make sure.
So this is 45 minutes, look. Where? Is it?
No. Right, so we're
Let's
going
see if I round.
So can you guys see? Yes, you can.
Just have to leave.
So we're going to put the baby birds.
Can I hold one? Can I
Yeah,
hold?
you can hold
Siena,
them.
give me one.
Hold them down here though. So Corey's going to be playing with the bird. Why? On India's channel, we're going to be cleaning them up.
So guys, today we are going to be holding these baby birds.
What up, peeps? So today we're going to
Clean the cage out.
So yeah, we're going to bring you guys along with us. So I have no idea where we're going to put you guys.
Yeah, so these are a bit of a struggle holding for me.
So make sure you go over to my
So
brother's
yeah,
channel.
guys.
I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you go subscribe.
And this is my first ever video on my channel. So go down in the description below to check out my awesome videos. Down below, if you want to watch. And in the description down below, my sister and my big sister and my little sister have their own YouTube channel.
Yes, I will. So we've got the food bowl. We've just got some food in there, and we've got a water bowl.
But I don't normally drink it.
Taking that out.
Yeah, so it is a bit hard to get them,
So
actually get them
all I'm gonna do
in your hand
is
because
just
they're babies, of course.
fold this up
And put it in the bin.
put it in the bin.
Siena,
This out.
Siena, can you come and help me?
Why?
To get one on my hand, please. Because I just can't do it.
So
And say hi, Indy.
hi. We made our own video. So what do you want me to do? Put that back there.
Put one in my hand.
Which one?
The white one.
The white.
That won't poo.
It won't pee. Put your other hand underneath. If it falls, just put your hands down below, okay? Put your hands a bit lower. Right? Just like that.
So if he falls off, he's okay.
So we've just got some ripped up cardboard here that we just put in. Just so...
Siena, he just flied off.
So...
Yeah, so that what happened if you try to hold these birds for too long, they just fly off. Like any
So
other
the reason
bird.
why
Yeah.
we have these
so,
birds is because they're
boom.
nan and granddads, because they rescued them,
Yeah,
because
so-
the baby birds got kicked out by the mother and the other one.
I'll see you guys later.
So we're just going to
Siena, I'm with you now.
no look after the baby birds.
Siena, no.
Yeah.
I want to look after them. Yeah.
So we're just gonna go. We just put in the piece of paper in.
So yeah, you can go and check my little sister's channel and my big sister's channel in the description below. So if you do like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. upside down.
Like, you know,
Hello.
not pigeons, doves. The baby dove squirt.
The brown one is the dove, and the white one is the other white birds, whatever.
Yeah, so they're both doves.
Yes, so they're both doves. And as you can tell,
So we're
you
just
can
gonna
have a
go
little
take
look at them.
their, water bowl out.
So we're going to fill it all up because they have drank something. So I'm going to go and check out on Corey's video.
So we actually have to do.
So yes,
But it's quite far.
we don't really have anything done yet,
It's
so
that good.
unless my big sister and my little sister are feeding them.
So we're just going to put some more seed in.
Yeah. Can I end the video? I am.